go see Bridget.
Okay.
Got you. Yay!
Yay!
So excited for you. And Dr. Brackett signed a certificate for you. Says congratulations on completing your last chemo. So you can take it home. Yeah. And some presents for you in here, which you can open in a little bit.
You like your sign? You like your sign?
It's awesome. Are you such a superhero? Yeah. Congratulations. You ready to ring that bell? Okay, let's see how it's done.
Here, wait. You gotta read your plaque.
Read your plaque.
You want to read it? This is the plaque that I just don't have it hung up yet. But this is the one. Have you seen it already? Yeah. Do you want to read it?
I ring this bell with joy and glee. This is a special day for me. It is finished.
Yep.
I'm done.
Yep.
My body and I have fought and won.
Right.
Now you can ring it.
Way to go, Wyatt.
Yay!
Proud
Awesome
of
job.
you.
So we're gonna hang this up here. It's got your name on it.
That's right.